Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And is it cold? Oh my gosh, it's cold. You'll hear a little noise every once in a while in the background. I got this little floor heater trying to keep the chill off of me. It's 41 degrees here in Florida. That's not a big deal for you people that live in the cold country, but for a guy that was raised and lived all his life in Florida, that's cold. Anyway, this is another radio from Jeff. This is a Panasonic AM dual speaker portable radio. It works on, I believe, C or D cell batteries or a built-in AC adapter. And my lighting is still not the best. Let me zoom in here a little bit. Yeah, it's a little better. There's the dial. And the tuning knob is right here. Nice smooth tuning. Pristine condition. 1965 vintage according to Jeff. On-off volume knob here. I think both of these had an insert at one time. Maybe a little black insert or something like that. Carrying handle. Very robust carrying handle. Over here we have tone. Over here, gosh, I don't keep things in the camera anymore. Over here we have tone, high and low. And here we have the selection for AC or DC. Dual speaker, as I said before. Very heavy. Ooh, this thing's heavy. And it's, like I say, a transistor. And the model is a Panasonic model R-1837. C-size batteries. That's what it takes. C-size batteries. There's the bottom. How exciting is that? Okay. We're going to actually very, very carefully open this up because Jeff showed me something when he was giving this to me, or loaning this to me, that's unique about this radio. Let's do that now because I got to get the cord out anyway. And right here, there is one screw that takes this back cover off, I think. I think that's what he showed me. So we're going to try that. Hold my breath here. Don't break anything. And we were doing this in the parking lot. I was so afraid he was going to lose this screw, but not yet. Now, let's see. What do I have to do to pry it off? I think it's right here, this little thing here. Oh, duh. So there's the back. There's the, and my lighting is not that great. I don't know what is wrong with this camera, but the lighting is just not, I fiddled with it for 15 minutes this morning. Still couldn't get the lighting right. But anyway, this is where the batteries go. And there's the AC cord. You can't see wound up there. I got all my lights on, number one, to warm it up. The other thing is this huge, long antenna for medium wave only. And I don't know if I can show you, but see, there's the tuning mechanism right there. It's a 3-gang, which means it's more selective. Lots of components over here on the board. 2 speakers, as I said before. Of course, it's medium wave, so it's not stereo. And what else? I think that's about it. I'm trying to remember anything else he showed me when he opened this up. Oh, on the side is the earbud connection. God, I can't keep it in the camera. Earbud connection. And I think this is an antenna connection. I think it's marked on this. No, it's not. I thought it was marked on the case, but it's not. At least I can't find it, but I think that's what that is. Let's see. Yep, it goes over to the antenna. That wire right there. So you can put an external antenna on this thing. Really nice design. So let's put the cover back on. It goes on very easily. And if I haven't lost the screw, we'll put the screw back in. Only one screw. Let's Rather surprising. Come on, Tom. There we go. Tighten this up. There, we're all secure. And now we can take the battery. Why can't I keep the darn radio in the camera? Sorry about that. There's the cover for the battery. There's the AC adapter. So, a cord. So pull that out. It's pretty long. And then there's a little slot here so that you can put the cover back on. And we'll turn it over. And we'll route this cord over here. Look at my camera. It's going to catch up with the focus. And I haven't plugged this in previously, so stand by. And if Jeff is watching, he's probably holding his breath right now. Okay, it's plugged in. We'll get it back in view of the camera, and I'll get my little prop right here. Kind of prop it up so you can somewhat see the dial. And get this out of the way. There we go. And here we go. We're going to turn it on. There we go. And of course, it's fighting with all the noise in my workshop. Really fighting it. Let me go down here. There we go. Lots of volume. Very smooth tuning. But you can hear all the RF noise from my lights, my camera, monitor, 2 computers running. Yeah. I can't get rid of that noise. That's better. Still noise there. Probably straight upright. No, didn't help. The tone is on low, I believe. There's high. Really nice condition. Most, if not all, of Jeff's radios are nice. He has a business for detailing autos and boats and stuff like that. And of course, he uses his knowledge to clean up these radios. Pretty nice radio. I love the handle. It actually looks like a miniature version of Samsonite luggage. I was going to say Panasonic luggage. Samsonite luggage. That's about it. Again, it has, what else they have in his notes? It has tuned RF, 3-gang tuning, which I showed you, and a triple coil on the antenna that I showed you also. It says it's a DX Beast. You got 3 radios and 1 tape recorder off of Facebook Marketplace for $35, and this was one of them. Pretty cool. And again, any radio on medium wave will struggle in my workshop because of all the electronics I got on in here. So that's not unusual. That's it. I think I've covered everything. I've got, let's see, 13 more radios from Jeff this time to review. I have a radio which I recently purchased from Amazon. It's an under $10 radio, AM, FM, shortwave, MP3, but you can forget shortwave on that radio, and I'll be showing you that soon. It's called a SONNRA, Sonora. I don't know what it's called, but it's excuse me. I think it's a 7-band radio. It's one of those inexpensive radios. Does Well, I'm saying too much. I'll review it here soon. I think that's about it. I babbled enough. Thanks for stopping by. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I'm getting a lot of new subscribers, and I really appreciate everybody that subscribes to my show, everybody that contributes. Again, thanks to Jeff for loaning me these radios out of his huge collection. And have a great day. Bye-bye.